Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Logan if this is your first time here. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Oden'S Eye Mystery Box. This is the $75, which is the bigger box. I did buy this during Easter time and it just came in. I'm so excited for it. So if you want to see what I got inside, then just keep watching. I did already open this box and I do have some of the products on my face and eyes, and this is what the inside of the box looks like. The only product I have from Oden'S Eye is the Eyeshadow Palette in collaboration with Angelica Nikovis. So I really wanted to try more from Oden'S Eye, but I just didn't know what to buy. So when I saw them release this mystery box, I thought that would be a perfect chance for me to try out a lot more products for them. So I'm really excited, so let's jump in. The first item I got is not a makeup item, but this is a mirror compact, which I love. I'm going to put this in my purse. I think that will be perfect. I don't have one in my purse, so I'm really excited to add that into my purse. And then the next item is not makeup related, but this is a like color switch. I already have one that I just got from the Sephora, Veramona in Sephora. You just swirl your brush around and it takes off the product. It doesn't clean your brushes, but it does take off that product. So you can go in with a purple eyeshadow, swirl it around here, and then go in with a green eyeshadow or something like that, which I'm really excited for because I needed a new one. So I'm going to put this on my desk right away. And then those were the only two products that I got that were not makeup. Let's move on to the lip products. I did get 3 lip products, which I'm really excited for because I've always wanted to try Oden'S Eye lip products, and I did get 3 different lip products. So the first one I got is the Kiss of a Fairy lipstick. The packaging of Oden'S Eye is just so beautiful. I love this packaging. Also, don't look at my nails. I know they're chipping. This is a cream lipstick and it's in the shade Brown Rose. Like, just look at the packaging on this. It's so beautiful. And the inside of the packaging, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see that on camera, but this is what the color looks like, and then here is what the swatch looks like. That is such a beautiful shade. I know I'm gonna wear that a lot. Really pretty, and I love cream lipsticks, so definitely will be getting a lot of use out of that. And then the next one is the matte lip stain, and this is in the shade Dry Dates. Again, the packaging on this is so beautiful. I love Oden'S Eye packaging. And then here is what the lipstick looks like. And then here is the applicator and a swatch of it. Really pretty, like muted red shade. And they smell really nice too. It's more of a fruity scent, but I really like this. This is, yeah, definitely more of a brown nude, not brown, red, yeah, red brown shade. I don't even know what I'm saying. A red brown shade, really pretty. I love both of these shades. I kind of get a little nervous with some of the lip products in mystery boxes because you never know if you're gonna like them or not, but so far I really like these two. And the next one is a cream lip stain. So we have a matte lip stain and a cream lip stain. Again, the packaging is so beautiful. I love all the artwork. And this is in the shade Sweet Tulip. And this is actually what I have on my lips today. It's a really nice orangey color. I don't know why I was feeling orangey today, but I thought that this lip product would be really cute. And it's a stain, so I'm wondering how it wears off. But this is what the applicator looks like. And then here is the swatch. And that is what Sweet Tulip looks like. I think I got a lot of good shades in here for lip products. I really like all of them, and I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of all 3 of these. I'm wondering how the stain wears off. I'll definitely have to test that out, but I really like this orange color. I don't know why I like orange lipstick all of a sudden, but I really think it's very pretty. So definitely going to be using that and see how the stain wears. Now, moving on to, let's do face products. The first one is the Norm's Mesmerize Spring of Life highlighter. And I think it's in the shade Spring of Life, I think is the shade. Well, maybe, I don't know if you're going to be able to see the packaging. There we go. So beautiful. Oden's Eye just knows how to do packaging. Like, look at that iridescent on there. So beautiful. Now, this is a little nerve-wracking for me, but this is like a bluey, white, icy, silvery highlighter. There you go. I haven't even swatched this yet, so I wanted to wear it today, but I wasn't sure about it, so let me just swirl my finger around. That's what it looks like. It's pretty blue. Oh yeah, it's very blue. It's a very icy blue shade. We're gonna have to test that out. I might actually like it, I don't know. It's a really, really pretty highlight, but yeah, I'm gonna have to test that out. I might use it for some more fun, creative looks. Then I actually got a whole highlighter palette. So this is the Soulmane highlighter palette, and I'm actually really excited because I do not have a whole highlighter palette in my collection. This is what the packaging looks like, and then here is what the inside looks like. So you have more of this white highlighter, and then you have a gold, more of a champagne-y, and then you have a kind of orangey, reddish, bronzy shade. Really, really pretty. I actually have this kind of used as a blush, and then I used this shade here and this shade as my highlighter, and the highlight is so beautiful, but I haven't mixed in with this shade as well. I thought that would look really good with the orangey eyeshadow and lip, but so far I really like this formula. Let me do some swatches for you so you can see what they look like. Here are what the highlights look like. Again, very light in tone. So I don't know if you had a deeper skin tone and got this. I don't know if it would work for you. Maybe that deeper shade that I used right here. But it's still pretty light. And then this one, I did not realize, but it is like a bluey purple iridescent one. But again, very, very light in tone. So I'm not sure how that would work for a deeper skin tone if you were to get that, so a little iffy on that, but you could use it as an eyeshadow. But these are really pretty. I didn't think I was going to use this one a whole lot, but I think I will actually use it quite a bit, either as a blush topper or as a blush. The last two items I got in the box are both eyeshadows. The first one is the Verdandi palette. I hope I'm pronouncing these right. I'm probably not. But this is the mini eyeshadow palette. I've really been interested in trying one of the mini ones, but I didn't know what color to get. I kind of wanted the green one, but I'm pretty happy with this one. This one is like the blue and orangey palette, but then it has like this kind of like murky greeny gold brown color. But it is really pretty. So on the eyes I have these two matte shades, and then I have this shimmer on my eyes. That shimmer, it blew me away. It blew me away. It looks like I have liquid metal on my lids. It looks so good. Can't wait to use this more. I swatched the blue. I want to put that on my eyes right now. Let me do some swatches for you so you can know what I'm talking about. But I'm really impressed with Oden's eyeshadow formula. Again, I do have the Hella palette, so I kind of know what the formula is like. But I do think, just off of first impression of using this, I think the Hella palette may be a little bit better quality. But again, I just used it. I've had it on for like not even 30 minutes, so I'm not going to judge it by this. But so far, I think the Hella palette might be just a little bit better. Here are what the swatches look like. These shadows right here, these two shimmer shades, are so beautiful and sparkly. I love that formula. But so far, again, I just use these 3 shades, so I can't say too much about the palette. But I do love those shimmers. The mattes blended out really nicely as well. So far, pretty impressed with this palette. Lastly, I got a much bigger palette. This is the Alva eyeshadow palette. Probably not saying that right again, but yeah, this is the Alva palette. And this is what the packaging looks like. Really, really pretty. And then this is what the inside of the palette looks like. So you have more pinkier tone, but you also have these pops of yellow over here, which I think is really, really pretty. I'm not going to swatch the whole palette, but I will do some swatches. Here are what some of the swatches look like. It's definitely a lighter palette, but I think I'll be able to create some really, really pretty looks. I swatched mostly shimmers. I think I only swatched 2 mattes, but the shimmers, some of them are really, really sparkly and really more like lid toppers, but I think they're all so beautiful and I can't wait to create looks with it. I think it'll be perfect for the spring and summertime. Just really, really pretty. That is everything that I got in the Oden's Eye mystery box. I think that this was a really, really good mystery box. I got 3 different lip products in all beautiful shades. I got 2 eyeshadow palettes, 1 bigger size and 1 mini. And then I got 2 highlighters. I got a highlight single and then a highlight quad, and then I got 2 accessories, the mirror and the color switch. So I think this was a really, really good mystery box. If they come out with more, I might buy another one just so I can get more products from Oden's Eye, but I think this was a really good box. I think I did get my money's worth. I think it was $75 and I used a discount code for I think 10% off, so I did save some money on that, but I think this was really good. If you have not tried out the brand, I think a mystery box is perfect for them. I love when brands that I have not tried do mystery boxes because I can always test them out that way. Unless I do really want a product from them, then I'll just buy that, but I definitely think this was a really good mystery box. I can't wait to use all of these products. And yeah, that is everything for this video. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to follow my Instagram, Logan K Makeup, and I will see you in my next one. Bye everyone, have a good one.